Alright guys, so today I'm installing a DNA motoring eBay exhaust on a C5 Corvette, and I thought about doing it late. I thought about recording it, so I already installed the two pipes. I had to cut the stock exhaust to get it off. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated more as I go. Alright guys, so I'm back. Started doing it and I ended up having to take off this because the exhaust was hitting like right about here on both sides, because this plate's like pretty big, so I had to take it off to get the exhaust on. Sadly, the exhaust doesn't line up very well. You can see it's kind of off, but I looked it up, and it's like a common problem with these ones. Should have looked it up before I bought it, but I mean, it's all right. I'll figure something out how to fix it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like cut this plate a little bit, like this way and in this way, so I can fit that back on there. 'Cause it kind of doesn't look very good like that, you know. But I mean, yeah, it looks all right. Just got to get it straightened out and we'll be good to go.